Hey there, Stampers. This is Sherry Roth. I'm a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Alberta, Canada, and I am just popping in to share with you the February 2025 class to go, which features this super fun, adorable bundle from the January to April mini catalog. It is called Storybook Friends. So this is part of a larger collection. It's called a mega suite. Because there are two bundles, there are some embellishments, there's a ribbon, and there's two paper packs. We are really going to focus on one bundle and one paper pack for this class. So we're focusing on the Storybook Friends bundle, which I'll share a little bit more of in a minute, and the Storybook Moments 12 by 12 Specialty DSP. And this DSP is called a Specialty DSP because there are some fun elements in this pattern paper. So it's got kind of like a Beatrix Potter kind of look to it, or that's what it reminds me of. So here are the papers. So you get 4 sheets that look like this. And then there you get 2 sheets. One is a cut apart and one is a die cut piece. So this is the die cut piece. So lots of our embellishments, not all of them, but lots of our embellishments for the cards that we're going to create in this class actually come from these pieces. So if the cards can be quick and easy, you just simply pop these pieces out. And then this is a cut apart sheet, but if you don't want to use it as a cut apart sheet, you can use the back. And then here are the rest of the pattern paper. So you get 4 solid double-sided sheets. Well, I guess 5, I guess if you count this. And then the die cut sheet. Here's the back of this one. I love these two. So pretty. So if you've got some, this one is so pretty too. If you've got some babies that you want to celebrate, some springtime projects, if you want to make some Easter cards, you can even just do springtime thank you cards or birthday cards as well. Just anything that's kind of spring. The images are just so sweet in this collection. So that's the pattern paper. And then we will also be using the bundle. So here's the stamp set. So you can see several cute little images that you can color. There's a little stone wall. There's a little, some dirt with some carrots peeking out. There's a little cottage and then some great greetings. And then the dies. I absolutely love these frame dies that are in this collection. So we'll be using those as well. And then included in the class, you'll also get a spool of linen thread and a package of the antique pearls, which are part of this collection. So these pearls here, I just don't happen to have a package on hand at the moment. So that's what you'll receive, as well as the card kits to create 6 different cards. So they aren't, you're not getting 2 each of 3 designs. You're getting 6 unique cards. And I'll share a peek at 3 of them now. So these are 3 of the cards. So we've got this one here. We've got this one here, which is kind of a gift card holder. And then we've got this sweet card here. So those 3 cards plus 3 additional cards that Laura Milligan has designed. Now, you have until February 19th to sign up for this class to go. It can ship anywhere in Canada. The class fee is $45 plus $6 to ship. That will give you half a package of the DSP, the antique pearls, a spool of linen thread, and the 6 card kits, and then emailed tutorial. The tutorial includes photos, measurements, supply list, and videos for each of the 6 cards. If you don't already have this bundle, then the I Want It All option might be for you. When you purchase $99.50 from my online store using the class host code, which will be in the description below, I will send you the 6 card kits and half a package of the antique pearls for free. And the products that I suggest that you order are the Storybook Friends bundle and the DSP, because the DSP won't be included in your card kits. Okay, so those are the items that I suggest that you order, but you can really, if you already have this collection and you just have a really long wish list, you can order any products that total $99.50 before shipping and GST. And then if you are a member of my Treasure Stampers team, you can get the card kits for the 6 cards for just $15 plus $5 shipping if shipping is required. And that will include the supplies for the 6 cards. You will need your own pattern paper for that option though. And then if you live outside of Canada and can't participate in the class to go, there is an option to purchase the tutorial, which I will link in the description below. And then if you really, really love this bundle, I do have a fun additional class that I'm offering. Let me slide this out of the way here. So I'm doing a little envelope mini album class, and I will link to where you can find all of that, the information for this class in the description. So I'm just going to do a quick little flip through here. So each one of these little sections has like a little piece that pops out. It's kind of an interactive album, opens up, and it uses this same collection. So that option is available as well. And in the tutorial, in this particular tutorial, you'll have photos and measurements and everything, all the details for both of these albums. So there's two different options there. All right, so I hope to see you in one or both of these classes. Like I said, you'll be able to find all of the information linked below in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Take care.